Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world's most captivating train journeys. Today, we're uncovering hidden stories and surprising facts about the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed railway. You might know it as one of China's busiest rail lines, but there's much more beneath the surface of this high-speed marvel. Get ready to explore the secrets of this fascinating route. A key role in the development of China's high-speed rail network, the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed railway, which forms part of the larger Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, isn't just a critical route between two major cities. It's also one of the pillars of China's high-speed rail revolution. But here's something that isn't widely known. This section of the railway was one of the first to experiment with high-speed train models, serving as a testing ground before China rolled out its vast network nationwide. Engineers tested multiple speed variations and train models here, making it a crucial part of China's rail history. The unsung architectural masterpiece, Nanjing South Railway Station. Many travelers pass through the Nanjing South Railway Station without realizing that it's one of the largest railway stations in Asia. What's less known, though, is its eco-friendly design. The station is equipped with a state-of-the-art geothermal system that regulates the building's temperature, significantly reducing its carbon footprint. Additionally, the station's roof is covered with solar panels, generating renewable energy that helps power various station operations. Speed records. Pushing boundaries. While most people know that the trains on this route reach speeds of up to 300 km per hour, did you know that this line was initially designed to accommodate even faster trains? In fact, during trial runs, some trains hit speeds as high as 380 km per hour, making it one of the fastest test tracks in the world at the time. Though commercial trains operate at a lower speed for safety and efficiency, the potential for higher speeds makes this line a key part of future high-speed rail development. Connecting two mega-regions. The Yangtze River Delta's role. What many overlook is the role the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed rail plays in connecting two of China's most economically vibrant regions, Nanjing, the ancient capital with deep historical roots, and Shanghai, the global financial hub. But beyond convenience, this railway is a critical artery for China's Yangtze River Delta economic zone, one of the most developed and densely populated regions in the country. This line has been instrumental in transforming the area into a global economic powerhouse by facilitating rapid business travel and trade. Environmental innovations. More than just speed, this route is a testament to China's commitment to green technology. What's lesser known is that the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed railway has adopted innovative sound barrier technology. Special noise-reducing walls have been installed along the route to minimize noise pollution in nearby residential areas. Moreover, the trains themselves are designed with energy-efficient features, including regenerative braking systems, which help save up to 10% of energy per trip. Cultural and historical significance along the route. This high-speed journey isn't just a connection between two modern metropolises. The railway passes through historically significant regions, offering glimpses into China's rich cultural past. For example, the train zooms by the ancient city of Suzhou, famous for its classical gardens, some of which date back over 1,000 years. Passengers can also catch views of the Yangtze River, a symbol of Chinese civilization that has shaped the country's history for millennia. A gateway to the future. Smart train stations. An unknown fact that surprises many is that the Shanghai-Hangzhou Railway Station, the terminus of this line, is a prototype of what future train stations could look like. It's fully integrated with the adjacent Hangzhou International Airport, allowing for seamless transfers between air and rail travel. The station has even begun experimenting with AI technology to guide passengers, making it one of the most intelligent train stations in China. The double-track Wonder the Nanjing to Shanghai section is part of the larger Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, but what many don't know is that the line features dual tracks to manage the immense volume of trains passing through. At its busiest, over 200 trains per day run between Nanjing and Shanghai, which makes this one of the most trafficked high-speed rail sections in China. This dual-track design allows for seamless high-speed travel in both directions, minimizing delays and ensuring that the route stays efficient. Shortest travel time on this route, while the average travel time between Nanjing and Shanghai is about 1.5 hours. Some high-speed trains have made the journey in just 58 minutes during special test runs. This is considered an exceptional feat for a route covering over 300 kilometers. Real-time weather adaptation. The trains on this route are equipped with advanced weather monitoring systems that can adjust the train's speed depending on real-time conditions like fog, heavy rain, or snow. The system can even anticipate changes in track conditions ahead, allowing for smoother and safer rides in all seasons. Track temperature monitoring. Given the diverse climate of eastern China, the tracks between Nanjing and Shanghai are equipped with temperature sensors to prevent rail expansion during hot summers. These sensors are part of a real-time monitoring system that ensures the integrity of the rails, preventing accidents that can occur due to heat-related track warping. Pioneering 5G connectivity. The Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed railway is one of the first in China to introduce 5G connectivity on board. This allows passengers to enjoy ultra-fast internet speeds while traveling at 300 km per hour, ensuring that even while zooming past the countryside, they're never disconnected. The Yangtze River crossing. While crossing the Yangtze River, the train passes over the Nanjing to Shanghai Bridge, an impressive 6-track railway bridge that was a major engineering challenge. The bridge is designed to handle high-speed trains as well as slower conventional trains, making it an essential hub for both freight and passenger transport. It's one of the few bridges in China that accommodates such a versatile range of rail traffic. Noise barriers. With solar panels. The noise barriers installed along residential areas on the route not only reduce sound but also come equipped with solar panels. This dual-purpose design allows the railway to generate renewable energy while minimizing the disruption to people living near the tracks. It's a subtle yet effective example of China's innovative approach to balancing infrastructure with environmental sustainability. Cutting-edge air filtration system. In response to rising air quality concerns, the trains running between Nanjing and Shanghai were among the first to be fitted with a cutting-edge air filtration system that can remove PM 2.5 particles from the train's cabin. This ensures that passengers breathe cleaner air, even when traveling through areas with poor air quality. Self-cleaning train windows. A lesser-known fact about the trains on this line is that their windows are coated with a self-cleaning material that helps them stay clearer for longer. This material reacts with sunlight to break down dirt and grime, ensuring that passengers always have a pristine view of the scenery. Energy regeneration. During braking. This railway line incorporates energy regenerative braking systems that feed energy back into the grid. When the train slows down, the kinetic energy is converted back into electricity, which can be reused by the railway system. This process reduces energy consumption by up to 20%, making it one of the most efficient rail lines in China. Earthquake detection system. One of the most advanced safety features of the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed rail is its earthquake detection system. This system uses a network of sensors along the tracks to detect seismic activity. If an earthquake is detected, the system automatically sends a signal to the trains, enabling them to stop quickly and safely before any damage can occur. This is especially crucial given China's susceptibility to seismic activity in certain regions. Pioneering the integrated hub concept, the Shanghai Hongqiao Railway Station is one of the most advanced examples of China's integrated hub concept, where multiple modes of transportation converge. Not only does it serve high-speed trains, but it's also linked directly to Shanghai Hongqiao International Airport. This design allows passengers to transfer seamlessly between long-distance trains, flights, and local transportation like subways and buses. It's one of the few places in the world where such large-scale intermodal transportation is integrated so efficiently. Green corridors for wildlife. To minimize environmental disruption, the railway incorporates special green corridors that allow wildlife to cross the tracks safely. These corridors are strategically placed along natural migration routes, particularly in areas near Nanjing that are home to several species of birds and small mammals. These crossings reduce the railway's impact on local ecosystems and protect biodiversity. Cultural sites. In seconds. While traveling at high speeds, passengers pass by several famous landmarks in mere seconds. For instance, just outside Nanjing, you can spot the Sun Yat-sen Mausoleum, one of China's most revered historical sites. Near Suzhou, there's a brief glimpse of the famous Tiger Hill Pagoda, a leaning tower often called China's Leaning Tower of Pisa. The speed at which these sites pass makes it a unique way to experience some of China's most important cultural landmarks, even if only for a moment. A technological triumph. The floating slab track bed. The Nanjing to Shanghai line uses a special floating slab track bed in certain areas to reduce vibration and noise. This design is particularly important in urban areas where the train passes close to residential buildings. The floating slabs absorb much of the vibration created by high-speed trains, significantly reducing the noise levels in nearby communities and making the ride smoother for passengers. Driverless technology testing. Though not yet in regular operation, parts of the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed rail have been used to test driverless train technology. These trains are equipped with advanced sensors and AI systems capable of handling everything from speed regulation to emergency stops without human intervention. The successful trials could pave the way for fully autonomous trains in the near future, potentially starting with this very route. Constant rail condition monitoring. The railway uses a smart monitoring system that continuously checks the condition of the tracks, trains, and overhead power lines in real time. This system uses sensors embedded along the tracks to detect even minor wear and tear or potential problems before they escalate, enabling preventative maintenance that minimizes delays and ensures safer travel. The role of magnetism in infrastructure. Few people know that sections of the Nanjing to Shanghai Railway use magnetic fasteners for the track infrastructure. These magnets help stabilize the rails and reduce wear on the concrete ties, which are crucial for maintaining long-term structural integrity, especially under the intense pressure of high-speed travel. This magnetic system also makes track maintenance easier and more cost-effective. The Nanjing Yangtze River Bridge legacy. While the high-speed railway now crosses the Nanjing to Shengguan Bridge, the historical Nanjing Yangtze River Bridge, built in 1968, was a vital part of the older Nanjing to Shanghai railway route. This bridge, famous for being the first large-scale bridge designed and built entirely by Chinese engineers, symbolized national pride during its time and still holds a special place in Chinese railway history, even though it no longer serves high-speed trains. Energy-saving stations. Apart from the trains themselves, the train stations along the route, especially in Shanghai, are equipped with energy-efficient LED lighting and climate control systems that adjust based on real-time weather conditions. This results in significant energy savings and a reduced carbon footprint, contributing to China's larger goals of sustainability. China's first underwater high-speed rail tunnel. A fascinating feature along the Nanjing to Shanghai route is the Zhangyan Yangtze River Tunnel, China's first underwater high-speed rail tunnel. While the majority of the train crosses bridges over the Yangtze River, certain sections go underwater, offering a feat of engineering that allows for seamless travel below the riverbed. This tunnel is designed to withstand river currents and high water pressure while allowing high-speed trains to pass through at full speed. High-speed rail catering. A culinary journey. You might not expect a lot from onboard catering, but the high-speed trains between Nanjing and Shanghai have some unique offerings. In collaboration with local chefs, the trains serve regionally inspired dishes, incorporating flavors from Jiangsu cuisine, Nanjing, and Shanghainese dishes. Seasonal and fresh ingredients are used, so passengers can experience authentic tastes while traveling at over 300 kilometers per hour. Night maintenance teams. The unsung heroes. Few people are aware of the extensive work that happens after the last train leaves the station at night. Specialized maintenance teams work throughout the night on the Nanjing to Shanghai line to inspect tracks, overhead wiring, and station facilities. These teams use high-tech drones and robots for track inspection to ensure safety for the next day's operations. Their behind-the-scenes work ensures that delays and accidents are minimized, making the railway one of the safest in the world. Lightning protection system. Given China's sometimes volatile summer weather, the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed line is equipped with a cutting-edge lightning protection system. These trains have lightning rods integrated into the train's roof, and the track infrastructure is designed to absorb and dissipate lightning strikes. This ensures that trains remain unaffected even during thunderstorms, allowing for continuous operation in almost all weather conditions. Passenger experience monitoring. On this route, the Chinese railway authorities employ AI-powered systems to monitor passenger satisfaction and comfort. Sensors inside the carriages track temperature, humidity, noise levels, and even passenger movement. If certain thresholds are breached, the system can automatically adjust the train's climate control or alert crew members. This technology is part of the Smart Train initiative, aimed at making travel as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Underpass for the Shanghai Maglev. At one point in Shanghai, the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed railway passes over the Shanghai Maglev, the world's fastest commercial train. These two rail lines converge at Shanghai's Hongqiao station, creating a rare architectural feat where two of the most advanced train systems in the world cross paths. One powered by magnetic levitation and the other by traditional high-speed rail technology. Antique gardens at Suzhou Station. The train passes through Suzhou, a city famous for its classical gardens that have been preserved for centuries. Suzhou Railway Station has incorporated elements of this cultural heritage into its design. As a nod to the city's history, passengers passing through this station can enjoy an outdoor, classical garden experience, featuring water features and traditional Chinese architecture, a rare feature for a modern train station. Special tickets for foreign tourists. Although many are unaware, foreign tourists traveling on the Nanjing to Shanghai route have access to special ticket options and discounts, particularly for multi-city passes. This is part of China's initiative to attract more international travelers to explore the Yangtze River Delta region by high-speed rail. Additionally, tourist information in multiple languages is available on board, making the trip more accessible for non-Chinese speakers. Track sensors for wildlife monitoring. In addition to the green corridors, the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed rail has track side sensors that monitor wildlife movements near the tracks. These sensors detect large animals approaching the railway and can trigger alarms to slow down the train if needed. This is especially important in areas near wetlands or forests where animal crossings may occur. Innovative ticketing system passengers may not notice, but the ticketing system for the Nanjing to Shanghai route is incredibly advanced. It's one of the first lines to introduce facial recognition technology for ticket checks. Passengers can register their face with the railway's app, and then simply walk through ticket gates without needing to show a physical or digital ticket. This system speeds up the boarding process significantly and enhances security. So next time you're on the Nanjing to Shanghai high-speed train, remember that you're riding through a piece of modern engineering marvel, cultural history, and green innovation all at once. Whether you're rushing between business meetings or just enjoying the scenic ride, this railway is more than meets the eye.